Hey guys, today we have this induction cooktop. It's those portable stoves, except it doesn't run on propane. Instead it runs on electricity. Now this is just an induction cooktop that you can put any kind of pot that has a magnetic base on it. So I don't know if you can put aluminum on it. Because it uses magnetic fields, I believe, to heat up the food. I believe you do need a... Yeah, all it says in the description is it needs to be a magnetic base in order to use that pot on this cooktop. So let's see what's in here. Okay. Alright, now let's just put this packaging. Oh no, I broke it. Whatever. At least I didn't break the stove. Oh, the glass, I mean the top of it is glass, which is nice. Let's remove it from the packaging. Induction cooktop. Power mode. Okay. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Compatible magnetic cookware. Magnetic iron pan, stainless steel with magnetic bottom, and cast iron pot will work. Aluminum, glass, and copper will not work. There you go. It said right there. Loyal customer. Visit this website. I'll have to see it. Hold it. A free bonus. Interesting. Alright. Yeah, there's this company that I did ask for a free bonus. They never gave it to me, so I can't exactly trust these anymore. And yes, they were from Amazon. They never got back to me. Whatever. That's this product. That's another product. We're talking about this product. Right. So the cord isn't that long, but it is very thick. So I believe it can handle a lot of voltage. Or a lot of current, if that's the right word. I think it's current. Alright, let's flip it over. There's a massive fan. Okay, first thing I noticed, there's a huge fan. It's comparable to, you ever opened up a computer? You usually see a lot of fans. It's comparable to this. Let me grab it. Where is it? Don't tell me it's at the bottom of this box. Alright, found it. You ever seen this? It is actually the same size. What they've essentially done is put a computer fan in here. But I mean, those are getting popular to cool down small appliances. Yeah. Well, of course it's not like this. It's a much more generic looking one. Looks like it's 120 millimeters. Yeah. But anyway, that's not the focus of the video. It is the cooktop, which is here. So, I have a magnet. Well, I mean, you'll find that in most households, a magnet. And I put on a few of the pots that I have, and only a few of them were magnetic. And today, as in the title it says, it's also a demo. We're going to be making ramen noodles. Or instant noodles. Actually, they're just called instant noodles as shown on the packaging, which will be in a minute. Alright, so I have one of my pots that have a magnetic base. And to prove that to you, I have this magnet, sticks to it, right? Just want to test that. This magnet is for picking up screws. You probably have one. And just try that, just to see if it works. And, alright, I went digging in the pantry, found this, and we're going to be making it in here. So let me fill it with some water, put the ingredients in, and start cooking. Okay, here we go. I got some water off to the side in that blender container. Okay, noodles are in, spices, dump the rest of it, whatever. Add the water, just about that much, maybe a little more. Good. I haven't used this pot in a while because I've been using fire to cook it, not electricity. It's powered on. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I hear electricity in there. It's very, you hear it? That high-pitched noise. I don't know if my camera can pick it up. It is very loud here. And just to make it easier, I'll add this in right now. The flavor for this one's yellow curry, if anyone was wondering. So I'm going to let the camera roll for just a little bit. Just hold up. Alright, I'm back. Alright. The water is warmer, so that means it is working. I'm going to flip that over. Right, where should I put this now? Whatever. This is a what's it called? Put simply, this measures electromagnetic fields. They call it a Gauss meter. Something's burning in there. But I guess because it's new. You can tell it's working when I put it in front of it. It says overflow. That means it's too powerful right now. Let's reduce the power just a bit. Still says overflow, so that means you know it's working. It's detecting the very strong electromagnetic field. And let's say I turn it off. It's still very powerful, but it's not as bad. It's not as strong, I should put it. I don't know if you see that. There's the number. Right now, when I put it here, it says 84, 86, 85. But let's power it back up again. Max power. Overflow, it says, and minus power NA. That means it can't display it. But of course I don't want to put this here because it'll cook my meter. Okay, so as you see, there is steam coming off of it, so it is working fine. I've never owned an induction cooker. My first one, so I don't know what to expect. This is the highest rated one on Amazon. That's why I bought it. What is this? Sure, let's add that. Doesn't taste that spicy. Oh wow, the noodles are soft already. So let's stir it. So I will stir it now. Come on. And then let it sit for a little more. Currently on max power, and there's a lot of steam. Oh, it's boiling now. There we go. Yes! That is what I want to see. Boiling water. Let's turn down the power to 40%. What's the minimum? 1. So that's, I guess, 10% power. That means 100% power, I'm guessing. Why don't they just write 100? Just, as you see in there, I don't know if you can see it. Let me take the camera off this thing. I don't want to burn my camera because this thing is like powerful electromagnetic fields. I don't know if this is going to appear right on the video. Hopefully it does. Oh wow, it is boiling. I better turn it on. As you see, there's a third digit. Why couldn't they just write 100? Oh, I think my noodles are done. That was a really fast cook. Yeah, they look done. Alright, well, I think it's time for me to enjoy my meal and conclude my demo of this machine. It is very fast. Well, let me turn on my meter again now that the machine's off. It still is really high compared to ambient levels, which is point something. As you see when it's right in front of the camera, which isn't too far from it. It's point something, but when I get closer it goes to like 23, 28, so I mean it is still engaged. Something's in there that's running. Now I'm gonna let the fan turn off. Let me pour that into a bowl first. I'll get my kitchen gloves in case those are hot. Okay, the fan turned off, which means I believe it's cooled down. But I'm still not going to touch it. I have 2 odd kitchen gloves. Let me put that into a bowl. Give me a second. Those look cooked. All right, good. Alright, that's my meal, or really a snack, in my words. Put this over there, and now unplug it. I bet the meter will read 0 when it's unplugged. Now it is. Yep, it's ambient levels. Yeah, okay. And that is the Cooktop Induction Cooktop Expert Induction Cooktop portable one, obviously. So there it is. It just runs off 120 volts, 1800 watts max. So I guess when I turn it up all the way to 10, it was operating at 1800 watts. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna go enjoy my food, and I'll see you next time.